Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC Coupe. This one's black. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Up front in the grille we've got a diamond style grille, front rear LED daytime running lights, AMG package with the AMG interior and exterior look, night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear, 20-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Cranberry red and black leather interior with aluminum trim, match gray and black ash wood trim at center console, sunroof, rear spoiler, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC Coupe has 25,945 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC Coupe, check out feldmannimports.com.